To convert Canva resume to PDF, I have a couple of resume. Just follow the link in the description of this video, canva.com/p/grow with Rachel. And when you come into my page, you want to come over to this collection. I already have a collection here. All these resume in this collection are 8 years friendly, and you want to select which one that you like and start to customize. So now I will click on this one. This is a Canva template. It's fully customizable. You want to click on customize this template. Always, I advise when you open a Canva resume template, one thing you should first of all do is to change the file name structure. And for this, I'm going to give it my own name, and it should take this format: your first name, your last name, then CV or resume, whichever one you're going for, but I will leave it as this. And you want to begin to edit your resume. If you come here and I'll paste this, and I have my name in here, and you want to change your own photo too. Let's just zoom in to see further what is going on in this template. And if you come on to the upload tab, you can bring your own images from the upload section here. I'm going to pull this lady and place her into this place, and click this photo and come into crop and pull her down, and also expand it further and position her how I want her to be seen. And I will click on done. So this is the photo I want to add to my resume, and you can put in your email here, your phone number, your website or your LinkedIn profile, your address. It should just be your state and your country. And you want to come into all this, your title. When you double click on the text box, it's going to highlight the whole text, and you want to change in the text in your Canva resume template. Once you're done editing your Canva resume template and now you want to make it a PDF, you want to go over to the share button here, click on download, and from here it's selected the file type PDF print, but I will click on this drop down and you will see that I have PDF standard, which Canva actually suggested. And if you click on PDF standard, this one allows you, if you want to share, let's see what it says about PDF standard. Best for documents and emailing, why PDF print is best for printing. If you're going to be printing this resume, you want to go with PDF print, but if it's for sharing online, emailing it, you want to go with PDF standard. So we'll leave it on PDF standard, and you want to click on download to download this resume into your device, which downloads it as a PDF document.